Hello everyone, in this video I want to share with you 4 compelling reasons why Next.js is considered one of the best frameworks for building React application. As you all know, React is most popular JavaScript library for building user interface which provides a component-based approach. But the React community does not recommend building a new app or website fully with React. They suggest using a React framework. That's why Next.js come into the picture. But question is why you consider Next.js rather than other frameworks? Reason number 1, server-side rendering. Next.js is built in support for server-side rendering, which improves the initial load time and helps with SEO. It makes it easy to implement SSR without requiring complex configurations. Reason number 2, static site generation. Next.js supports static site generation, which allows you to pre-generate static HTML files for your pages. Reason number 3, automatic code splitting. Next.js offers automatic code splitting out of the box. This means that only JavaScript and CSS code needed for a specific page is loaded, reducing bundle size and improving performance. Reason number 4, specified routing. Next.js simplifies routing by providing an intuitive file-based routing system. Each file in the pages directory becomes a route, eliminates the need of complex routing configuration. In the conclusion, Next.js offers a powerful set of features that makes it excellent choice for building React applications. If you are a React developer and planning to create a web app, Next.js is definitely worth considering. Finally, thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more web development related videos.